Want clear, glowing skin without the harsh chemicals? Today, I'm showing you how to make an ancient 100% natural facial wash using green tea and cedar powder. This duo deep cleanses while fighting inflammation. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of water. 1 tablespoon of green tea, loose or bagged. 1 to 2 tablespoons of cedar powder, lote tree leaves. First, boil 1 cup of water and add your tablespoon of green tea. Now, patience is key. Let it sit for 1 hour until it's completely cold. Once cooled, strain the tea to remove all the leaves. Pour that infused water into your mixing bowl or a flutter. Next, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of cedar powder. Whisk it well until you get a smooth, consistent texture. Cedar contains natural saponins, which create a gentle lather that cleanses without stripping your skin. Transfer your wash into a clean bottle. Use this every day as your primary cleanser and massage it into your skin for 60 seconds. Because cedar is a natural plant powder, it can be slightly drying for some, so always follow up with a light facial conditioner or moisturizer to lock in hydration. Green tea is a powerhouse of antioxidants that calms redness, while cedar powder acts as a natural antibacterial that pulls out impurities from your pores. Since this recipe is completely natural and has no preservatives, you must store it in the fridge. It will stay fresh and effective for about 7 to 10 days. The cold temperature also helps depuff your face in the morning. Switching to natural skincare was the best thing I did for my glow. Try this out and let me know your results in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more herbal beauty secrets.